In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching text with gradients in Canva. We'll start inside Canva by opening a template or a blank canvas at the size you need, whether that's for a social post, a thumbnail, or a presentation slide. Pick a layout that gives you room to work and a clean space for your text. Head over to the Uploads panel so you can bring in a gradient image. Any smooth, high-resolution gradient works great. Think soft color blends or bold duotones. Once it's uploaded, drag it onto the canvas and set it as the background. You can do that by right-clicking and choosing Set Image as Background or by stretching it to fill the page. This locks in the color blend you'll use to paint your text. Next, open the text panel and add a heading. Type any word or phrase you want to stylize. Short words with fewer letters usually show off the gradient best, but phrases work too. Change the font to match your style. Bold, wide fonts tend to display more of the gradient and feel more impactful. Now adjust the text color. For this technique, white or a light gray is ideal because it creates clean edges and keeps your focus on the gradient beneath. Resize the text so it's large and prominent. Then reduce the text transparency to around 40. You'll find the transparency slider above the canvas. This lets the gradient subtly show through your letters when we flatten the design in the next step. When it looks good, go to Share and choose Download. Export it as a PNG for crisp edges. Now clear the canvas of the previous elements and upload the PNG you just downloaded. Select the image and use BG Remover to remove the background, leaving only the letters. This isolates the text while preserving the gradient that was captured inside the letters during export. Crop away any extra space if needed, so the text sits tighter in its bounding box. Resize and reposition the new gradient text on your canvas until it feels balanced. Centering and aligning with guides can make the layout look more professional. For final polish, open Edit and then Adjust. Here you can tweak temperature and tint to shift the color mood and fine-tune brightness and contrast to add punch or soften the look. Small adjustments go a long way in making the gradient pop without blowing out detail. And that's it. Clean, eye-catching gradient text in Canva, ready to drop into any design. Save your file and you're good to go.